Have you ever noticed that every time your income increases, your bank account somehow stays exactly the same? You finally get a raise, land a better paying job, or start earning more, yet a few months later, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is, the problem usually isn't your income, it's your psychology. One of the biggest financial traps is something called lifestyle inflation. As soon as people earn more, they immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A new phone replaces the old one. A nicer car suddenly feels necessary. Vacations become more expensive, and monthly subscriptions quietly multiply. Before long, every extra dollar is already spent, leaving you with the same financial stress despite earning more than ever before. So why does this happen? Your brain is wired to chase instant rewards. Every time you buy something new, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel excited and happy. But that feeling doesn't last. Within days or weeks, the excitement fades, and your brain starts searching for the next purchase. This cycle repeats over and over, convincing you that buying more will finally make you feel satisfied. Instead, it creates a habit of spending everything you earn. The more money you make, the more expensive your habits become. Wealthy people think differently. Instead of upgrading their lifestyle every time their income increases, they upgrade their investments. They understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets, such as index funds, dividend stocks, businesses, or rental properties, have the potential to generate more income over time. Liabilities, on the other hand, continuously take money out of your pocket. While most people spend their raises on things that lose value, wealthy people use those raises to buy things that can grow in value. Another reason people stay broke is social comparison. Every day, social media shows luxury cars, designer clothes, expensive vacations, and dream homes. It creates the illusion that everyone is living a perfect life. What you don't see are the loans, credit card debt, and financial stress hiding behind those pictures. Many people spend money they don't have simply to impress people who aren't paying attention. Looking rich and becoming rich are two completely different goals. Successful investors ask themselves one simple question before buying anything. Will this make me richer or poorer 5 years from now? That question changes everything. Instead of making emotional decisions, they make financial decisions. They pay themselves first by investing before they spend, allowing compound growth to work in their favor year after year. The truth is, financial freedom isn't about having the biggest salary. It's about controlling your habits, resisting unnecessary upgrades, and making smart decisions consistently. Your income can change your lifestyle, but your mindset changes your future. The next time you earn more money, don't rush to spend it. Invest it, let it grow, and give your future self the opportunity to become truly wealthy, instead of simply looking wealthy. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Money Sketch for simple animated finance lessons that help you build better money habits, avoid costly mistakes, and make smarter financial decisions, one sketch at a time.